How to create Fantasy Premier League account. Let's get started. Launch your Fantasy Premier League app. You can get this app easy from the App Store or the Play Store. Once you launch the app, you will land to this kind of interface. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Head over to the option of More. Now click on the option of Sign in or Create New Account. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now click on the option of I need to register. Now you have to complete these steps: personal details, your favorites, and email preferences. First up, you have to complete this personal details section. So go ahead and type in your first name, type in your last name, provide your email address, generate password for your account, select your gender, select your date of birth. Then you can select your country. Then go ahead and type in your phone number and then click on next. Now you can select your favorite club from given club over here. If you want to keep eye on other clubs, you can follow them and then click on next. If you want to change your club, you can click on the option of change and do that. Now scroll down. Would you like the Premier League to send you information on behalf of your partners? If yes, you can check in for these options. Then check in for the option of I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions and then click on update preferences. Now you will be receiving mail from the Premier League, so close this and check your mail. You will receive this kind of mail. You have to open it, then click on activate account. Click on login. Once you have confirmed your email address, now you can log into your account. Click on sign in and provide your details, email address and the password. And with that, you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily create your Fantasy Premier League account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.